I put it
Mana Rangatahi mai nei ki Omaka Marae.
Mana Rangatahi Raumati.
Loved everyone on this wānanga and it was probably one of my favourites. My highlight was Hari Hari Kōrero. That game was really fun in communication. My least favourite was probably our wake up we got this morning.
My highlight was talking to Matua Lewis while everybody was finding whāpuhi and finding things out about our rohe or te rohe whāpuhi.
My highlight of this wānanga was visiting Matua G-Toy's house and listening to his inspirational kōrero.
So why do we do this? Because these type of environments, whare wānanga, places for our babies to come to relearn how to be Māori, do not naturally exist. Hey, all of those things that our deed of settlement talks about, and all of those things that we feel because we are whakamā, because we don't know, that is all a result of everything that has happened to us over the past 150 plus years. Mana Rangatahi goes for 6 days because I believe that it takes that long for us to decolonize and start to re-indigenize.
We've now come in from outside into the domain of Tāne Te Wānanga. And this space here, this is our whāri. Now our whāri have taonga on here that hold the mauri of the kōrero and the mātauranga that we learn while we're in this space. Now the mauri is put into these taonga, and then when we return, we do our karakia, we do what we do, and the mauri is lifted out again and it comes back to us.
Tina, Tina, we are here.
Sun up to sundown until you see the morning shine. Spread your love, share a hug, share a peace. Dance all night. Let's have the time of our lives. Let's have the time of our lives.
No reira, ko te tokoro e tui, ko te tokorua nei, so this one has been coming to us for a long, long time, and I must say, a lot of our ones this age and the ones that have been coming to the wānanga for a while, we've really noticed the maturity level awesomely. So, homai te paki paki. Tēnei tangata tama nei, pūrotu nei, puku mahi nei, he tino tangata tēnei tangata, kua kite au ki kairoto iaia, tōna aroha ki tōna ahurea Māori. And again, we can't take much credit for this one. And it does make my job a lot easier if they already come in knowing how to roll. This guy certainly knows how to roll. And so it's been a pleasure to have him. And one more time, can you tell everybody your kupu hou that you learned?
Haere gosi o kāna.
Yeah! Then I would like you just to stand up. You felt me touch you on the shoulder, too much.
Māori ki tēnei tauira. Uhi wero tau mai te Māori. Haumi e hui ai tai ki e. E tū, whakanuia!
Please stay around, have a kai, take pictures, share it on social media. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou.
Te haia tāna kiri ana mā. Ki runga o puhi ke reru. Mahue.
So, Mum, did you miss him?
Yes, we missed him a lot.
He's very proud of that Alice Junior Warrior. The girls have been coming along. This is their sixth Mana Rangatahi, and so I was hoping that they were a bit more confident this time and would step up and help around and take a little bit more like that as they get older leadership. So yeah, very proud of Ella.
How did you feel when you were announced Junior Warrior?
Excited.
Excited? And were you expecting it?
Kind of.